Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for how to kill a kit with style, Christmas in July. So what I am going to use is another sketch from L Studio. It's from the Sketch to Finish Volume 6. And this one is on page 65 if you have this one. And so they wanted to use a 4x6 photo, and I am doing a 4x4, and it is of my Christmas tree once I got it decorated. This past year, or this year, was when Josh was deployed in 2021. So it took me a hot minute to get this one up. He deployed at this time, and then as you guys know, I've been talking about it, and I know I talked about it during my Christmas doing my documented season. I ended up having to quarantine and all of that fun stuff, so it took me a hot minute to get everything done because of just because of what happened and all of that. So I didn't get as many photos as I typically do with my Christmas tree and all of that fun stuff. Plus, it was just a different Christmas all the way around just because Josh wasn't there and then me not able to go to work and all of that fun stuff. So there is a bunch of layering in this sketch, and that is what I'm doing. So I know that my sketches, and when I use the sketches, I use it for inspiration. Now, this one, I pretty much followed it to the T, except for the fact that, yes, I know that they wanted a 4x6, and I did a 4x4. But you will see that this particular sketch goes in a kind of a weird T-like, and so I do the same. I make sure that I do it as well, but I do it with embellishments. So while they may have used it with paper and all, I used embellishments. And that is the one thing that I do love about using sketches, is that you can interpret it the way you see fit. So once you have a photo and you have the sketch that you want, then interpret it to the best of what you want it to be. And so that is what I did. And obviously this one does not have mixed media whatsoever, but I'm going to make it have mixed media. So the colors that I am using is the green that you're seeing me use right now is old paper. And these are my distressed inks. I have the minis for the distressed inks, and the distressed oxides, I have the bigger ones. I decided that I was not going to have all of the sizes be the same, or both sets be the same. I decided that I'm going to use the minis for the distressed, and then the distressed oxides are the big ones. And that was just, kind of what I decided. So I'm sorry about the shakaroo here, but that's what I get when, I am doing mixed media. That it is what it is. So the three, like I said, the three colors that I'm using is old papers, the green, the blue is Salvaged, Patina, I don't know how to say it. I'll type them out down in the descriptions down below. And then the pink that I do come in and you'll see me use is called Spun Sugar. I distress the areas that is on the sketch where they cut out a piece and tuck a color behind. So I did pink on the bottom and then green on the top. And this is the kit that I am using for how to kill a kit with style. So I will link everybody that is doing this down below, because we do it whenever we feel like doing it. So all of mine are going to be on Fridays. So I will link the channel, I will link this in there is a playlist that if you go and you search my playlist, you will find how to kill a kit with style. And you will see everything in there, including my old ones that I've done in the past. I have done this, but I got away from it for a hot while due to grad school, but now I'm back. I am down to, this is the very last, no, the second to the last layout for this, and then you'll see what I have left over, because I just wanted to stick to this particular theme. So what I decided to do here is that I was going to take this sled or this sleigh, and I am going to fill it up with the bells that are left over from the for the tree, and just kind of carry it like the Christmas tree, you know, needs to put all these on there and kind of carry in it, and because the bulbs and stuff work on it, because that is what it is my Christmas tree. I do make that wreath on the side there, and that is where I start to build my little cluster to the side there so that it matches up. And then I do put some more bells and bulbs and stuff like that on the side there just to kind of fill out that area. And I kind of lay it along, and I try to add in some stockings to make it look like, you know, there's stockings getting hung from this particular one in like one little Christmas present. So that is kind of my theme that I'm using. Obviously, this is the November, December hip kit. That was for, it's November of 2021. And then I build this cluster. So there is no cluster on the top for what she has, or really kind of within this. They just got some paper strips. So I'm building clusters because that's what I want. And I am definitely one of them that is more is more. I definitely don't do the less is more because that's just not my thing. That's never been my thing. And so that is where I'm going with that. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I hope that you guys are all enjoying this series. I know I normally do Christmas in July, and then obviously I don't do anything until I get to November, December time frame, and then I start. I know that I'm going to have to start a tad bit early because I have quite a bit of photos for December due to my husband coming back, and I had a trip and all that stuff for my 2021. These are actually December 2020 photos. And if you don't know, I actually scrap a year behind. I do not scrap the year that we're in. So as an example, for December, when it comes around to November of December of this year, all of my photos will be from December 2021, where I am finishing up my December daily, December documented for 2020 in these photos here. So I'm just making my clusters in the different areas, making it all look like I would like it to. I do also have while I am using Elle's Studio Sketches, I will link this one down below, but I do have my very own first sketchbook available as well. And if you have not checked that out, I would love for you to just check it out. It'll be linked down below as well, and it gives you 10 sketches along with 10 inspirational layouts to the sketches, along with a playlist for you to go check it all out. So I will link that all down below, and I hope that you enjoy it as well as I did making it. Also, this title is going to be like Time to Celebrate. I think it's 'Tis the Season to Sparkle, and it's a Christmas tree, so I thought that would be perfect. And then I do come in and I have these enamel dots, and I decide to start splattering them around, and then I realized that I'm like, look, these can go in the snowflakes that are on my back page or my layout. So that is what I'm going to do there. I am definitely going to add some splatters. It is from Nuvo Drops. It is their Christmas one. Let me see. I can get it quick. I come in, when I get to the splatters, it's the Nuvo Micro Mist, and it is Beryl Swirl. So I'll link all that down below so that you know what I am using here with this particular collection. And then that is it. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.